Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless electric drills. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for a cordless electric drill, money can buy well the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Anir Power Electric Cordless Screwdriver. Brand name, Anir Power. Battery is composed of 18,650 lithium battery, its capacity is 1,500 mAh. The 12-volt, 16.8-volt battery shell may have a few scratches. 3 functions are available at any time: electric screwdriver mode, electric drill mode. Max drilling diameter, wood 20 mm, steel products 10 mm. Number 4. Prostormer Brushless Electric Drill. Brand name, Prostormer. 2000 mAh battery mini electric power screwdriver drill. 21-volt cordless drill, Prostormer Li-ion electric drill and driver. 21-volt cordless electric drill, powerful, efficient and durable. Drilling screw, wood, brick, metal. Number 3. Hemuyou Electric Drill Cordless. Brand name, Hemuyou. 12-volt electric screwdriver. Reversible. Automatic cartridge design. Stepless. 15+1 torque adjustment. Waterproof, drop, leakage power. Battery protection device to prevent battery overload, overheating and deep discharge. Integrated LED light for illuminating the work area, can also be night work. Twisted soft grip handle CSD operator to provide excellent grip and a sense of comfort. The fast slow adjustment. High strength precision 3-jaw chuck. Number 2. Deko Electric Screwdriver. Brand name, Deko. 12, 16, 20-volt maximum cordless drill electric screwdriver. 18+1 torque settings. Application, drilling metal, wood, wall, steel, screw driving. 3 8-inch keyless chuck power tools. Weight, 1 to 1.2 kilograms. Max. Drilling diameter, 10 millimeters. Number 1. Wosai Cordless Electric Drill. Brand name, Wosai. Wosai 12, 16, 20V 3/8-inch cordless electric drill, compact size combined with 2-speed range and 25+1 gear, can accurately control the drilling tasks of wood, metal, plastic and all screws. Wosai Cordless Electric Drill has laid a solid foundation for any professional contractor or DIY player's power tool collection.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.